Yeah, Howard Brown used to say, ignorance don't take no holiday. And son, the dog won't hunt. Howard Brown sat back in that wooden chair, spoke slow wisdom through the country air. Said, boy, you better learn before you shout, 'cause loud don't mean you figured it out. He tapped his boot, let the silence run, then say, that dog won't hunt, son. Ignorant have no holiday. It show up every day. You can dress it up in a brand new suit, but it still don't know the truth. That dog won't hunt, no matter how you plead. You can bark all night, but that ain't how you lead. He said, son, don't argue with a fool. You just give him a longer tool. He'll dig himself a deeper hole, trying to sound like he in control. Then he'd lean in close and grin. Truth don't shout, it sinks in. Ignorance have no holiday. It don't clock out, don't go away. You can holler high, you can holler wide, but you can't make it wrong turn right. That dog won't hunt, no matter how you brag. Ain't about the bark, it's about the tag. Howard Brown said, listen close. Wisdom ain't about who talks the most. It's knowing when to let things lie, and watching foolishness pass you by. Heed not once, then take a sip. Common sense ain't common, kid. Ignorance have no holiday, but wisdom finds its way. You can chase your pride all night, but truth gon' shine